Hey, what's up? And welcome back to another very exciting tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to animate a 2D image in After Effects. Believe it or not, this is just a static image, but look at this amazing result. I'm going to cover 3 to 4 tools and effects in this tutorial, so stick around until the end. Okay, now let's go. Create a new composition and name it Animate 2D Image. Import the necessary files into the project. First, bring the background image into the composition. Create 2 masks to animate the water flow. Now, apply the LoopFlow effect. Go to Mask 1 and assign Mask 1 to it. Go to Mask 2 and assign Mask 2 to it. Check the animation. Create 2 more masks for the water flow animation. Duplicate the LoopFlow effect. Go to Mask 1 and assign Mask 3 to it. Go to Mask 2 and assign Mask 4 to it. Check the preview. For a more natural flow, create 2 additional masks. Again, duplicate the effect. Go to Mask 1 and assign Mask 5 to it. Go to Mask 2 and assign Mask 6 to it. Check the preview. The water flow looks good. Now animate the water from this position to make it look like it's moving toward us. Create 2 vertical masks. Duplicate the LoopFlow effect and assign these masks to Mask 1 and Mask 2. Repeat these steps for the next 2 masks. Adjust the masks according to your preference. Okay, now let's animate the clouds. One method is to create multiple vertical masks, but that would take more time. Instead, let me show you a quicker way using only 2 horizontal masks. Create the first mask on top of the clouds, covering the entire area. Create the second mask and cover all the clouds. Duplicate the LoopFlow effect and assign these masks to Mask 1 and Mask 2. Now, go to Animation and change the animation direction from along to across. Check the preview. If the clouds animate downward, enable the reverse direction option. Now check the animation again. If the animation is moving or looping too fast, increase the values of animation move on part and animation cycle time to slow it down. Let's bring the jumping fish file into the composition. Since it's a green screen video, the first step is to remove the green background. Apply the key light preset to the fish layer. Select the green color using the eyedropper tool. Go to View and select Screen Matte. Now go to Screen Matte settings. Increase the clip black value to remove more of the background. Decrease the clip white value to restore lost details in the fish. Create a mask and select only the area needed. Change the view to intermediate result. Lower the size of fish layer and scale it down and position it over the water to make it look like the fish is jumping in. To make the fish jump look more natural, add position keyframes, moving it slightly forward with jump, creating a more realistic motion. Duplicate the fish layer and reposition it on the water to create the effect of another fish jumping. Make as many duplicates as needed to add more fish to the scene. Now bring the girl's image into the composition, scale it down, and adjust it in the scene. Next, create a pre-comp and name it Girl. Then, open the pre-comp and increase the composition width to create more space to work. Now create a mask for her hair, because we need it separate for animation. Next, duplicate the layer, and for the bottom layer, go into the mask settings and select the invert option to reveal the rest of the image. Adjust the layers if you see any gap. Now, apply the wave warp effect to the hair. Increase the wave width to 100. After previewing, you'll notice that when the hair moves, it shifts from its position, creating a cut that doesn't look natural. To fix the shifting issue, apply Transform Effect and move it above to Wave Warp Effect. Use Transform Effect position setting to move the hair to the very start of the composition at position 0. Then, adjust the layer's position to bring it back to its original place. Finally, go to Wave Warp and pin the left edge to keep it stable. Now check the preview. That looks good to me. Now, use the puppet position pin tool to animate the girl, creating a natural breathing effect. Add multiple pins to different parts of the body to control and animate their movement smoothly. When pins are created, After Effects automatically generates keyframes at that position. Copy the keyframes, move the timeline playhead forward a few frames, and paste the keyframes. Then, move the playhead to the middle of these keyframes and adjust the head and chest to create a natural breathing motion. Repeat the same process for the hand to add subtle movement, making the animation look more natural. Apply Easy Ease to the keyframes for smoother and more natural movement. Now, apply the loop out expression to make the breathing animation repeat seamlessly. Press and hold the Alt key, then click on the position stopwatch for the head, chest, and hand. In the expression editor, type loop out and press Enter. This will automatically loop the animation without needing to manually copy keyframes. Now, select all the keyframes and move them to the start of the animation. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video. Cheers!